Hey there, thanks for taking a minute to consider joining this channel. Your support really helps me do all the things that I do. Look, every week I'm gonna bring you tons of recipes in both long and short form video. I cook everything from pastas to steaks to roast to desserts on the stove, over fire, and on my favorite device ever, the big green egg. Not only that, I bring you all the ingredients that you will need to cook these amazing dishes. Look, all the spices and everything I use, they're not always available everywhere in the world. So I came up with a great brand of spices that gives you just enough to cook the dish 1 or 2, maybe 3 times. When you join, you instantly get access to 10% off, free shipping with no minimums to all the spices and all the cookware at jeremypotvin.com. So join today and let's get cooking. Hey, cool, you're still here. Let me tell you about what I just cooked. See, this is a veal chop with smoked mashed potatoes. It was crazy. This is a focaccia I did the other day. I was kind of taking a little bit of a run at this other chef. It turned out great. Look at that bread. It was incredible. I do this incredible lasagna. That is a very long recipe that's coming out really soon. I do spring rolls and one of my favorite salads of the year. This was this strawberry salad with feta. It was gorgeous. Hey, look, there's me. Just enjoying the meals. Look, I really hope you join the channel. It's a lot of fun. Thanks again for watching.